You want to make it sound like Alan Collins from Leonard Skinner. That's the lick. It comes right at the start of I Ain't the One, which is and the chords generally go, and right at the end it goes. Right. So that's D and C. But before Alan's first solo, it goes. So we get that's alluding to it. Right. So first thing we get is this. So that's G up to A, and then a snap. The first one's got a bit of a shake, and then right. That's off a Dorian scale. It just sounds so great with it. That choice of notes. So we get. To come down off the F sharp, then play another D, A, up to the D, and then right. The beauty of that is when we're going this note, it's the E. Right. You know, one thing, you know, I don't know about you, but on a Les Paul, I find it quite hard. The higher up the neck you get, obviously the frets get closer together and stuff. You could possibly go. You could go. You could play the like there. So that would be on the 15th. It's the same notes, it's just in a different position. We'd start on the 15th fret. Give it a shake. And play that snap. And then, which is exactly the same notes, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, D, E, F sharp. C, pull the C slightly. And we're into that bit. So whether you want to go or is up to you. You know, when you say my favourite Alan Collins, like I think most of us are going to go. You know, most of us are going to think of that one. But if you nailed me to a wall and said, "What's your favourite Alan Collins?" Like it's although we'll go down forever. So Alan Collins, man, what a guy.